ROSMASTER X3 is an educational robot that integrates lidar, depth camera, AI deep learning and other technologies. Green aluminum alloy material and unique design make it beautiful and durable. With pendulum suspension chassis and Mecanum wheels, ROSMASTER can achieve 360-degree, omnidirectional movement indoors and outdoors. ROSMASTER supports 4 control boards. Can meet the needs from beginners to electronics hobbyists and professional developers. ROSMASTER is equipped with high-performance artificial intelligence modules. Achieve simultaneous positioning and mapping by SLAM high-precision lidar. Users can also perform route planning and navigation. ROSMASTER can detect objects through lidar, scanning to achieve autonomous obstacle avoidance. Based on AI algorithms and YOLOF 5, it can complete object recognition. If you have more than one ROSMASTER, you can enjoy formation, performance by control multi-robot navigation. ROSMASTER also supports multi-point navigation. When we set different points in sequence, it will automatically navigate to the destination. In addition to lidar, ROSMASTER can scan the surrounding environment in 3D, obtain the depth point cloud image of the picture, and realize the 3D real scene navigation of the robot through its depth camera. Users can use OrbSLAM2 and Optimap mapping to perceive the surrounding environment efficiently and accurately. ROSMASTER integrates artificial intelligence and augmented reality technology, efficiently assemble data algorithms and image frames, and extract useful information from them for visual analysis. Robots can track colors in real time. By Media Pipe Development Framework, it can realize hand detection, attitude detection, overall detection, face detection, 3D detection and other functions. Based on KCF algorithm and image processing, user can select object freely in the image and follow it. Choose any color on the track. Robot will walk along this color line. Identify QR code labels. Obtain QR code pose coordinates in real time through dynamic tracking. Use OpenCV to transform the video image to achieve beautification effect. Through AR augmented reality technology, users can present virtual graphics on checkerboard paper. We also provide a voice interaction module for users. It allows ROSMASTER to recognize commands and respond to us. Hi Yaboom.
Hi, I'm here.
Go to the point A.
Okay, I'm going to the point A.
Go to the point B.
Okay, I'm going to the point B.
We have designed 2 apps for ROSMASTER. Remote Control app. Users can control the motion state of the robot anywhere. ROSRoboter app. Users can complete mapping, navigation, viewing images on the mobile phone. Combined with mobile phone and PS2 game handle, users can enjoy the process of remote control and view video in real time. Top-level hardware configuration allows ROSMASTER to achieve more complex but interesting AI recognition functions. Due to flexible software architecture of the robot operating system, users can expand more functions by Python programming. Yaboom will provide complete source code and manual, and a large number of video tutorials, with Chinese and English subtitles for users. If you have any question when using, we will also provide professional technical support. ROSMASTER is an educational robot that can meet the needs of different users. It will become a good partner for you to learn Python, programming and developing AI functions in the future.